Welcome back, fellas. Welcome to another video of Science Saturday organized by the Hormel Institute. My name is Kayum and today I'm going to show you how to do pipette art. So when you receive your kit and you open it, you'll find piece of art paper. One is having a blank paper, which kind of your creativity zone, be creative. One piece of art paper having a DNA figure, so you can use that as like a template to color your DNA. And then one has a beaker with like liquids, which we generally use in regular laboratory. So those are the three art paper, and this is a written instructions. Please read it carefully before you start your experiments. There is an feedback QR code, and then 6 different watercolors, 6 pipettes to use it, and then actually 2 pieces of bath mat where you can like mix your primary colors and get more out of it. As a scientist, we generally use a mechanical pipette, just looks like this. It's an instrument which we repeatedly use to pipette out desired volume of reagents, chemicals. This pipette, for say, it can aspirate of 1 milliliter of liquid, and I'm going to show you how it will do. This is a special kind of tips, we call it like pipette tips. It comes with like in a box with like 96. This pipette tips is actually fit with this instrument, and that basically create a pipette in instrument. This pipette, as I said, create you can actually use a different volume. If you see, this is like 1000, that means it can take 1 ml of liquid. By doing that, we need to press it to the fullest. So while you are pressing, you are basically releasing all the air from these tips. And now when you touch the liquid and release the pressure, the liquid will fill into the vacant space, because outside air will press on top of the water, and then water is going out. So if you can see there, now the water is filled inside the tips, and if I release it, you can see the water is coming out of the pipette to the next place, and I can tell you this is actually 1 ml of water. With the kit, we are providing you a plastic pipettes, and with graduations of up to 0.5 to 5 mLs. So if you adjust the pressure, you can get like, so for this, I am getting almost 2.5 ml of water. And if you press hard, I'll get actually 4 ml of water. So adjust your pressures and try to dispense various amount of liquid as you need it. So now is the fun part. I'm going to take some liquids and then mix with the color and try to put the color on the art paper. First, I'll press that pipette, not so hard, like medium, and then aspirate off 0.5 ml of liquid. And then I'm going to add it on red color, because red is my favorite. And then I'm going to mix it. It's called like pipetting up and down. Basically, you are allowing water to dissolve the red color, and when you are satisfied and you know that the intensity of the red color is accurate, you can take a small amount of liquid and then put it here. One drop. One drop is here, and another one is there. Now I'm trying to mix some colors and try to see how this comes to that on the paper. So for this, I'll be using like the yellow, which I put it here. And then I'll get some blue. And here the color looks kind of like yellowish blue. I do not know what actually the name of the color, because I don't think I have enough amount of yellow color in it, but it looks nice. And then using this pipette, I'm going to make some drop. Pipetting is a good art to basically develop your motor skills, because it's a hand and eye coordinations. So the amount of liquid you want to dispense, basically your brain is chaining this information to your hand, and based on that your hands are doing this. So if you can see, my brain is telling me to exactly create the same amount of drops, just like here, and it gives me enough happiness that I pipetting exact same volume. So that is a wrap. I hope you had fun doing this experiment. Don't forget to take pictures and post it on Facebook, and please use the tag sign and write HI sign Saturday. Thanks.